Good afternoon, YouTubers. Phil here with the next FoxBox unboxing. So this will be the FoxBox number 7, but my second one. So, for the ones of you that are thinking about subscribing to the FoxBox, just a quick look at some of the things that you could get inside. Once again, I've got no idea what's in. So I'm assuming it's the FoxBox. Okay, so look at there. First thing to come out, our FoxBox. Oops. Okay, so we have Webtex Military Products 2-piece set Warrior cooking unit. So I've got it there. Sorry if the camera looks a bit shocking. Right, so am I right in thinking the fuel goes in there and that goes in there? Is that right? Yes. So, no, that's okay. So put the fuel in there, your little fuel tablets. And that goes in. Cool. Yeah, nice. I tend not to use fuel tab. I have got them, but I tend not to use them. I either use gas if I'm up on the hills, or proper fire if I'm in woods. Well, little air holes. I'm going to try it out. Yep, so there we go. Warrior cook set. Cook set. A great addition to your bushcraft. Bug out of a day bag. Cooking cup and base cook unit included. £16. Arms, hunting and shooting products. Ooh. Shaving sharp out of the box with a black and white carter handle and pocket click. This is a great field backup blade, £10. That's nice. Nice little knife. Okay, sharpening stone. I already have this sharpening stone. 8-inch shot in stone. Keeping your blade sharp. Blah 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 blah. £5. If anyone wants this, if more than 2 people actually watch the video, and if somebody likes and shares the video, then I'll send it him. There you go. Oh, my favourite bit is... Oh, no way. Wow. I've been wanting one of these. New book, tool roll and 6 carving chisels. £38 value. That's paid for the box already, I think, nearly. Handmade by the Fox Workshop. This tool rolls require quality speaks for itself. Premium hand cut nubuck hide stitched with artificial sinew, leather lace ties. Chisels, good quality, hold their edge, sharp. Use the sharpening stone. It smells good. Close my towels. Yeah, I've been wanting some tools to whittle my own spoons and things. Get close up to that. Focus, focus, focus. That is nice. Imacasa? Oval stone. No idea how to pronounce that. This is a Japanese stone for adding an edge or honing your axe's edge. £1.50. Oh. Grizzly Bushcraft Ferro Rod. Chunky rod and striker set by Grizzly Bushcraft. Larger than normal, always produces great sparks. £2.50. Yeah, best not do that on the dining table. Best not do it in the box either. Nice, nice and thick. What's the thickness? Yeah, so the total that box came to £74. That is amazing. Really pleased this month. Yeah, very impressed with that. Once again, if the 2 or 3 people that actually watch the video like and share it, even comment on it, then I'll it's going to be quite heavy to post. If you live near me, you can have this. Yeah, because I've already got this one. But, just open this again. I am loving the leather products. They feel quite sharp as well. Yeah, I'll definitely be playing with this next time I'm out. Very nice. Very, very nice. Sorry. Yeah, so that's this month's FoxBox. FoxBox number, kind of what I said, 7 maybe? Yeah. Yeah, number 7. And number 2 for me. So no, it's quite. We look at it on their website as an initial outlay. It is quite expensive, but when you think about what you're getting, some of the things, especially the leather. It's not leather. It's hide. It still smells nice. But the craftsmanship, it's great. Yep, so that's this month's FoxBox. Once again, like, share, comment. Tell me how I can make them better, the videos. I've got some videos to upload from recent walks and camps. And I've also got some reviews to do of a new knife I bought from America and the Bear Grylls survival hatchet as well. I need to do a kind of review on that when I've got time. So yeah, thanks for watching. I said comment if you like them, tell me I can make them better, and I'll see you next time on the next video. Thank you, bye for now.